Hello everyone. I am sure many of you have heard about Vignan University. But why you need to choose Vignan? That's exactly why I am here to talk about it. 4 years ago, I had the same question, why Vignan? But today, I have the perfect answer. At Vignan, we have a top-notch curriculum with best regulation that not only enhances our academic knowledge, but also helps to develop essential soft skills.
Our curriculum is designed not just to teach programming languages or tools, but to build strong problem solving skills, critical thinking, and industry readiness. From first year itself, we are exposed to hands on learning, real world projects, and opportunities to innovate.
The faculty are here from IITs, NITs and government universities who just don't teach, they also mentor us.
We offer the modern computer labs with the facilities like a high-speed internet, computers and servers with the high technology.
Our department's lab is a center of excellence equipped with industrial robots, SCADA and PLC systems, 3D printers, mobile robots, etc., which fuels facilities for real-world solutions.
Our 40-acre farm serves as a dynamic learning background where we actively engage in crop cultivation, modern farming techniques and field experiments.
But that's not all. Projects play a crucial role in our learning journey. Through interdisciplinary projects, students form teams with faculty members and solve real-time problems. And in our final years, we undertake a major project which often evolves into journal publications and conference presentations. We participate in guest lectures, hackathons and workshops where we interact with industry experts and learn new things and improve our technical skills. Students are encouraged to participate in NSS, NCC and department fests, fostering their leadership and teamwork qualities.
I'm currently pursuing my internship with Amazon in the role of SDE intern for 6 months, offered with a stipend of 1.1 lakh per month, and post my internship, depending on my performance, I would be offered a CTC of 44 lakhs per annum.
Vignan's Mahotsav is a national-level techno-cultural fest that is being organized every year at the university. We also organize cultural sports, including the para sports.
Our university is graded with the NAC A+ and NIRF ranking is 72. Our department is accredited by the NBA as well as ABET.
The university offers a merit-based scholarship to support and encourage students.
Come, join us at Via Festia and take the first step toward a future driven by innovation, excellence, and endless opportunities. We can't wait to welcome you into our family and watch you achieve your dreams.